Hello, welcome to my presentation. My name is Tao Yilin. First of all, I would like to thank my supervisor for patient guidance and USM for its cultivation, as well as all the participants in the research. My title is The Impact of Training and Development on Employee Performance, the mediating role of employee engagement in Malaysian service sector. It contains 5 chapters: Introduction, Literature Review, Methodology, Data Analysis and Findings, and Discussion, Conclusion, and Recommendations. Chapter 1, Introduction. Employees are the most important asset of all corporate resources, and they have a direct impact on the company's productivity, innovation, capabilities, and long-term success. Training and development is one of the most critical practices in human resource management. Training helps employees bring new knowledge and skills to their work, improve work efficiency, and better adapt to ever-changing work environments. This study aims to investigate training and development, employee engagement, and employee performance among service industry workers in Malaysia. Here are research objectives and research questions. This leads to the concepts of independent variable, mediating variable, and dependent variable. This chapter aims to lay the theoretical and empirical foundation for the proposed research model and to clarify the shortcomings of the research. Training and departmental development are among the most critical strategic human resource practices in today's organizations. Modern organizations view training not only as a way to enhance employees' technical skills, but also as an investment in employee adaptability, employee quality, and the organization's long-term competitiveness. Employee engagement has a significant impact on employee behavior and organizational performance. The higher the employee engagement, the more motivated, loyal, and productive they are. Highly engaged employees are more likely to put in greater effort and perseverance when faced with challenges, actively seek ways to improve work processes, and strive to align themselves with organizational goals. Employee performance is key to a company's competitive advantage. Employee performance depends not only on their technical skills, but is also influenced by physiological, social, and organizational factors. Therefore, modern performance management focuses on enhancing employee potential while creating a work environment conducive to employees performing at their best. Therefore, 4 hypotheses were proposed. 1. Training and development has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. 2. Training and development has a positive and significant effect on employee engagement. 3. Employee engagement has a positive and significant effect on employee performance. 4. Employee engagement mediates the relationship between training and development and employee performance. The underpinning theories are human capital theory and social exchange theory. Baker's human capital theory is a primary theoretical perspective for explaining the relationship between training and development and employee performance. It elucidated the positive impact of training and development on employee performance. Social exchange theory, proposed by Bilal, explains employees' behavioral responses to organizational expenditures, pointing out that training and development can enhance employee engagement. Employees who experience meaningful development opportunities tend to have stronger emotional attachments and higher work performance. The combination of human capital theory and social exchange theory provides a complete theoretical foundation for the proposed model. Chapter 3, Methodology. This study implied a cross-sectional research design, collecting data through a structured questionnaire distributed via Google Forms. Responses were assessed using a 5-point Likert scale. Data analysis was conducted using IBM SPSS Statistic version 27 and Hays Process Macros version 5.0. Several statistical analyses were performed, including descriptive statistics, reliability analysis, exploratory factor analysis, Harman's one-way factorial test, Pearson correlation analysis, multiple linear regression analysis, and bootstrap-based mediation analysis. The theoretical framework shows the interaction between variables that are the subject of this research. The model presents training and development as the predictor variable with employee performance as the outcome variable and employee engagement as the mediating variable. The survey was sent electronically via Google Forms to multiple social media platforms, emails, and professional networks. A total of 200 valid questionnaires were collected and statistically analyzed. This study used structured questionnaires as the primary data collection tool. The questionnaire consisted of 2 parts. The first part collected basic information about the respondents, and the second part was used to assess 3 research variables: training and development, employee engagement, and performance. Chapter 4: Data Analysis and Findings. Data analysis includes the following processes: data screening and preliminary assessment, descriptive statistic and normality, reliability and item quality, construct validity and common method bias, correlation analysis, regression analysis and direct hypothesis testing, mediation analysis. Analysis results showed that all 4 hypotheses were supported. Training and development has significant positive effects on both employee performance and employee engagement. Employee engagement had a significant positive effect on employee performance. Employee engagement partially mediated the relationship between training and development and employee performance. Chapter 5: Discussion, Conclusion, and Recommendations. The analysis results indicate that training and development has a significant positive impact on employee performance. This means that employees who have learning and development opportunities, career development plans, and continuous training are more likely to work efficiently. The second objective was to explore the impact of the training and development on employee engagement. The results showed a significant positive correlation between the two. This indicates that employees' organizational commitment is enhanced, and their engagement in their work is stronger. Empirical analysis confirms that employee engagement has a significant positive impact on employee performance. Employees with high engagement tend to exhibit better performance. Engaged employees are enthusiastic about their work, take their responsibilities seriously, and will put in extra effort for complete tasks, thus improving performance. The mediation effect analysis results indicate that employee engagement mediates the relationship between the two to some extent. Employee performance can be improved both directly and indirectly through training and development. Theoretical contributions. This enriches the literature on human resource management, verifies the enduring value of human capital, and strengthens social exchange theory as a solid theoretical foundation. For practical implications, firms should abandon outdated single training and build an integrated HR system covering lifelong learning, staff engagement, empowering leadership, and career growth. However, there are still limitations. Long-term causal relationships cannot be confirmed. The data may have common method bias, and only one mediating variable was tested while the moderating variable was ignored. Accordingly, we propose future research to adopt longitudinal designs test more mediating and moderating variables, and explore digitalization's influences on HR practices. Thank you for listening.